Everything today is going to be Fenty Beauty Even Foundation, and I'm pretty excited. Let's see what we can do. All starting off. Let's see if we can get pretty. All right, y'all, I am so excited because I'm using, Fenty Beauty for the first time. And I got this eyeshadow palette called Cadet, so it clearly looks like camouflage. And I've just built a really good base for some camo eyeshadow. And I simply took this color, did a ring on my crease. Then this color, I filled in up at the top under my arch because it's a little glittery. And then the darkest color down here on the lid. I'm going to get some glitter on here, line underneath, but just play with it. When it comes to eyeshadow, this is art. There's no right or wrong way. Just play with it until you feel beautiful. So let me get back to work. Okay, y'all, I will tell you no lies. This was a bit challenging to get to where I am right now. This is my version of camouflage. And we'll probably tweak it, maybe make it a little more sparkly or something. But for now, this is where we are. I must have changed this makeup 3 or 4 times. So I just want you to know, it really is art. If you start out with something like I started out with a green lid, and it just looked dark and weird, and I couldn't figure out what was wrong. I added glitter, I lightened it, and then I put on a whole different color. And I thought, oh, that's so pretty, I can make that. I can make this work, and I do look like camouflage, I do. So, don't pick up your makeup remover so quickly, unless you've had an eyeliner accident. Just pick up your brush and put on a different color. These good eyeshadows, you can easily cover one color with another or blend them together. So don't be scared. So here's where we are. What we're going to do now is I'm going to use for the first time a foundation that is not dermablend for the first time since the burn. And I know that Fenty, this foundation is buildable. It's Fenty Beauty, and it is Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. They tell you what color to use online. So we're going to put some on, and if necessary, I'll put on a second layer. But let's get started. Say one thing. All right, everyone. Look at it. Just a quick check-in. I really feel like this eyeshadow turned out about 1,000 million times better than I thought it would. Also, my foundation and powder, 1 layer of Fenty Beauty, a Fenty soft matte longwear foundation. So much lighter on my face than, heavy lighter on my face than dermablend. I love dermablend, and it might perfect things a little bit more, but I think that Rihanna's really got the colors down for all women, and particularly brown and black women, because when I put the powder on, I was starting to glow. Wait till I get my, wait till I finish this up. The next thing you'll see is the finished me. And this look is named after Rihanna's gold highlighter that I wanted so bad. Gold highlighter, and it is called Trophy Wife. I cannot wait to get this on my face. I've been working on my face for an hour just to put this on. So when you see me again, wig and makeup are done, and we're ready to head out for the day. And Trophy Wife is a done deal. Look at that gold. Rihanna is so inclusive of every skin tone. Camo, eyeshadow. You don't need a tutorial for it. If you get the Cadet palette, use every color except the lightest one. The lightest one is only for highlighting your corners and your arch. Take those colors. You can't go wrong. They're the colors of camouflage. 6 colors. And make it be yours. Just blend it together. Put some sparkles. Do whatever. Get it done. And then get your foundation on, your blush. And I highly recommend. Now, I'm wearing a lot of this stuff. But I highly, highly recommend Trophy Wife. This gold is so fly, so fly. So, we've got our look for today, and let's enjoy the day. Bye, y'all.